Oh boy, if you're looking for a place that's going to be very tranquil and it's going to be hidden out the way from anybody else, this is the one for you. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-reception detached property, a beautiful garden. It's got an absolutely amazing garden about the back, which could be a perfect way if you work from home. It is set up as a therapist studio just now. But you'll see when we go through, and there's lots of exciting wee things all the way through this property, all the way through where you can see it. But look, this is the gateway to it. You'll never know this place exists until you actually go to visit this place. It is not on the main road. It's off down this pathway, and it's hidden away from everyone else. Welcome a wee slice of paradise. 25 Mossgreen Street in Kelty. As I said, 2-bedroom. Let me take you on the tour and take you around this property. Here's where we get access in here through this gate, and we walk down this area, and you can see it just appearing in here. It's all fenced around here. This is huge. You can see the panels up the top as well. And then across to the back, there's a beautiful balcony coming off the main bedroom out the back, overlooking the garden. And the garden is absolutely tranquil all the way throughout. And I can't emphasise that word so much. Your only slice of heaven here, I would say. I love it. So, this is the main access into the property. We're going to just go through the patio doors. We may as well just go through the patio doors into what we would call possibly the dining room in here. So this could be the dining room, it could be the other reception room. It depends what you want to set it up as, but it's off the kitchen. There's a utility cupboard here for your washing machine and that. Beautiful dining area room here. Lots of natural light coming in from the skylight and also the patio doors. Off into the kitchen, you've got your fridge and freezer, you've got a shaker unit over there, you've come all the way along here, you've got your dishwasher, your hob and extractor, and then your oven and your microwave above. Wee table there to make it a breakfast and kitchen, but then you've got a table over there for dining, so you've got plenty of space in here for entertaining guests if they want to come along and visit. Off to the side is that area, as we said, coming in that front door. This is a nice wee sun trap. This is actually quite tranquil just to sit there. You can see they've got that there. And into your 4-piece bathroom, your main bathroom over here. You've got a shower at the back, so if you're into a shower, you've got your thing. And also if you like your bath, you've got that as well with that separate attachment. Now, second reception room, main one, is the living room. Again, beautifully laid out. Now, you'll have seen that wee ladder to the rear. That can be put away quite comfortably, but it's just to show you what's up there. Let me just show you. Now, you've got storage up here, but also they're using it as a wee office area in here. Let me just give you a quick sneak peek. There you go, see? Office area up there. If you want, you can just put that away and use it as storage. Entirely up to yourself. But beautiful, isn't it? It just oozes relaxation and tranquility. Now down these stairs, if somebody wants their own self-contained space, yeah, they've got it down here. So this has got a ensuite shower room and a main bedroom, and it's also got over to the rear. They've got a wee office area to the rear as well. Built-in wardrobes. Got your ensuite there, your sink and WC, and your shower, and that goes all the way back. There's plenty of storage in here. Obviously I'm not going to show you everything that's in there, but it's a huge amount of storage in there, definitely. Give you a wee sweep of this one again down the bottom. Windows to the rear, you can just see at the back garden. See, there's the garden room at the back, and then windows to the side, bringing in lots of natural light. Up to what we would call the main bedroom now, and we'll go out the patio doors to the rear. Okay, so main bedroom, you can see the window to the side bringing in the light. Patio doors, as we sweep round to these wall-to-wall wardrobes. And then into your patio area to the rear. Perfect place to sit and have a cup of coffee in the morning. just as you get up. It overlooks the garden. And you can see you've got your hot tub there. Plenty of storage under here. That's that bit we came in at the front. Just over here as you walk all the way down. And you come into your main garden to the rear at the bottom. All perfectly laid out. Sun's breaking through over there. Somewhere we're sitting at 10 o'clock, so goes up there, comes all the way around, sits on this most of the day, on this garden. Fantastic, isn't it? Potting shed, gardening's your thing. Could be ideal for you. Nice and private actually. That's what I like about this. Look, perfect places to bask in the sun. This is ideal, eh? As if on cue, the sun just comes out. What more could I ask for? I think somebody up there likes me. Always seems to happen. That's amazing, eh? Just glorious. Let's talk about the garden room. Your own place. Now it's set up as a therapy room just now. You can see. But this could be an artist studio, could be crafts. Could be into your pottery with your wee kiln in here as well. Very warm inside. Double glazed. It's fantastic, isn't it? And it goes right out into there. Look at that. That's just a wee Instagram moment, isn't it? Just as you walk out. Ideal. Okay, if you don't know where this is in relation to anything in terms of Kelty itself, well, Kelty actually has a good range of local amenities, including the shops, primary school and healthcare and leisure facilities. It's ideal for commuters with a connection to give you access into the M90 motorway, and that leads on to Edinburgh, it leads on to Perth, and then also access into Dunfermline. Nearby Lochore Meadows Park is absolutely fantastic area for cycling, walking, running, outdoor activities. They have the triathlon events there. I've taken part in them running events as well. It's a beautiful place to enjoy. If you've got pets, perfect place to take them. It'd be fantastic. You've got kids, perfect place to take them as well. And just perfect place to take yourself. It is absolutely gorgeous over in Lochore Meadows. Okay, a wider range of shopping facilities are nearby in Dunfermline, with leisure and transport as well, links into the Dunfermline area. It's an increasingly popular place for people to call home because of that. Okay, if you want further details, you need to see photographs and descriptions. Click on the link above or below. If you need to contact us, you can message direct on this post, or you can contact us on 1592 75 2000. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for 5 Properties TV. Bye-bye for now. I think I'll bask in this sun a bit longer. Should I just lie in here and just spend the whole day here? Oh yeah, boy, it's roasting. Bye-bye for now.